How to share Shein Wishlist on other apps. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can share your Shein wishlist on the other apps. Now the process is quite simple. Simply open up your Shein app and you'll get an interface like this. Now you want to add the products to your cart that you want to share. Now simply tap on add here and simply tap on carts option and you'll be able to head into your carts here. However, what you want to do is you want to tap on the items that you want to share, and once you do it, what you want to do is you want to open up the items and you want to add it to your favorites. Along with the add to cart option, you can see the heart icon. Simply tap on heart icon, then it'll be added to bird. Simply tap on add to bird here. Now, once you do this, what you want to do is you want to head into your favorites option. Simply head on to cart option and at the top right you can see the heart icon. Simply tap on heart icon and you can see your items that are on your carts. Now once you open your wish list here, what you want to do is you won't be able to share it directly on other apps. What you want to do is you want to head into boards option and you can see I've created a board here. However, you can create a new board by simply tapping on create a new board and you can enter your board name and then you can create it and then you can select items from your favorite. So what you want to do is you want to first add your items to your wish list or to your cart, and then from there you want to add it to your board. Once you add to board, you can see I've added it to your board. What you want to do is along with every board you'll find the share option there. Simply tap on share option and then you can choose other apps that you want to share to: WhatsApp, Facebook, Message, Twitter, Instagram, or you can copy link directly, or you can simply tap on more option and enable more apps options and you can share it. So this way you can share your Shein wishlist on other apps. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.